Hi everybody, I'm rehabbing this wig and I wanted to pop on to just show a little bit of what I'm doing, because this is something that you can do if you get maybe like a cheaper wig or it's a full cap wig and it's laying funny. I'm going to show you how you can sort of fix that. So this, you can see, is a full cap wig and it has the skin top parting and there's a lot of bulk right in here, and you can see when you pull it up it's just a complete full cap. There's no lace parting, there's no nothing, there's no baby hair, there's nothing to sort of make it blend. So what I did was I took the first top layers and I'm getting those out of the way. So let's get the brush. We're gonna brush them back, and then what I did was I took my rat tail comb and pulled just a few layers out in the front right near this parting area. Okay, so you can see. Then I took my razor comb, the longer end, and I razored these, so you can see these little, you can see these smaller parts here where I razored. And then I took my blow dryer and sort of trained these to go down very sort of flat and come away from this bulk. So that's sort of step one. And then you'll see as I get my brush here, as I move through this, so you can already see that it's kind of looking better near the part, and then I will continue to work on this part and I will give you a update. But this is one thing that you can do in order to start making this lay and not be so obvious. Like, I'm not against full cap wigs, but when they are made in such a way and you have all of this bulk, you do need to do things to fix that. You can rip this part out. I've done that a few times. I have not found great success with that, so I wanted to try to show you a different technique that would be a little easier. So I will check back.
You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry.
Resolved after I have worked with the front. So I have a full video showing this, but what I did was the little pieces that I razored, I trained with the blow dryer to go down. And then these pieces I trained to go back. And then I did sort of this movement. What I'm gonna show you now, let me get a little closer. Let's get closer to you, girl. Is right here is where you can see sort of the skin top parting, or the part that is visible from the full cap. So now that we've masked it on either side, yeah, let's get right near you, girl. Now that we've masked it on either side, I'm going to take a tool that I have from my, blending kit. You can purchase these on my website. Just some powder, and we're gonna sort of create a faux part here. And I'm gonna take some powder on the brush, and then I'm just gonna place it in here over top of this skin top parting. This is just a clip to keep it down. So that even though it's not extremely flush, you have these pieces down here that are masking. You have the powder to mask it more with the color of your skin. And so I'm gonna show you how this looks. And I even get this front part, so the front part that's like kind of thick and it's not really laying flush. Just make sure that you get powder in there. I love this tool for that. Get powder right on in there. There we go. You have these wispy pieces now to sort of mask that. Let's pull it out, and now let's see how pretty it looks. I'm gonna take this pin out because I feel like you can see the pin and it looks weird with that. But you can see how pretty and natural that appears. I mean, literally, unless someone's like right on top of you. And even then, I think we're really more jazzed about our part than other people. They can't really see and tell. And yeah, so there you've masked that sort of thick parting area.